Alright guys, what is going on? So today I'm going to be bringing you a video talking about what are we going to be doing with Ashley's Whippled 2016 Mustang GT. As you guys saw, the clutch completely went out on the car. I think we already hinted that we're going to be doing a Mantic clutch, but I wanted to give you the official video that yes, we're going to be going with a Mantic twin disc Cerametallic 9000 series clutch. Same thing we are running in the Cobra now, as you guys saw that video last week. We also installed this clutch in Scott's car, and that worked out really well. It's a clutch that I've had experience with before in the Coyote application. I prefer it over all the other options, and I've driven it. It drives very smooth, it lasts well, and it allows you to slip the clutch. And it's a little bit easier on the MT82 than the McLeod RXT, which would be my other choice for this kind of power level, which is around 700 wheel horsepower. No, we haven't had it on the dyno yet. I know that a lot of people are like, why do you claim it's 825 horsepower or 700 wheel horsepower? Well, I go off the crank numbers, which makes sense for 15% drivetrain loss based on Whipple, and these things typically dyno somewhere around there. So that's where I'm guessing the power level is 700 wheel horsepower. If it's something less, I don't really care. We can get it to there anyways. But we decided to go with the Mantic. The reason why is because it tends to hold up with the MT82 better because the RXT grabs so hard so quick that it actually blows gears out on these. And actually just recently, check out this clip from Sherrod from UPR. In his car, he runs a McLeod RXT, and although it's not necessarily because of the clutch. The McLeod RXT does a fantastic job, but I find that the Mantic does a better job on a stock MT82 or even a built MT82, which in Sherrod's case, he had a built MT82 with stock gears. That clip shows fourth gear basically just broke, shattered some pieces. Thanks to Sherrod for that clip there. So we went with the Mantic because I've had experience with it. I'm running it in the Cobra. It tends to work really well with a stick IRS application. We also have a set of bias ply tires for this. They're the Mickey Thompson ET Street R bias ply, as you guys saw with the JMS wheels. So we're gonna be ready to drag race this car. I know half shafts, drive shaft, you know, some other goodies are obviously in the works for this thing for drag racing. But first thing we had to do is fix the broken stock clutch. And we knew it was gonna break. It's something we were absolutely waiting for. We were just trying to wait a little bit more. We're trying to do the Cobra, finish Turdzilla, then hopefully upgrade this before it went out. Obviously it went out on us at an unexpected time, but let's just show you this beautiful clutch setup we have here. So of course, here's the Mantic, and you guys know this is a fantastic clutch. So far on the Cobra, I'm still breaking it in. I cannot wait to get to the drag strip. Obviously, we have a wall of tires here. Those are Ashley's bias plies up there. I got my bias plies there. The skinnies and drag radials, but drag radials aren't to be used on these cars anymore because they make too much power and they'll break things. We got our clutch alignment tool. We got our slave cylinder, which it comes with that twin disc with all the clutch discs and everything. It also comes with the proper flywheel, which that is why I really think the Mantic is a good option because it comes with the flywheel, everything you need to make this thing work. And we're going to be doing that with the stock MT82. As you guys know, I already have a spare MT82 over here that we may build, or if that one were to crap out, swap this one in, build the broken one, you know, there we go. That way we don't have too much downtime. So, I hope that clears up what we are doing on this. We're going to be doing this at Nick's. It's going to be a super simple swap. We don't need to send the transmission out or anything like the Cobra. Basically drop this transmission out, put the clutch in. Well, obviously we're gonna see the destruction on the clutch, because I guarantee it's gonna be half of the clutch disc broken off, just like most other clutches, stock clutches I see. I doubt it's the slave cylinder that failed. I know I saw a few comments. I doubt it, because this thing was slipping a lot leading up to then. So I think it finally just shattered and broke. But we will see. We will definitely see. Regardless, it needed a clutch for the power, so we're gonna make that happen. So as always, make sure you slap that like button down below, leave a comment, and let us know what you think. I'm gonna be talking a little bit more about the comparisons, especially after the Cobra gets broken in, this gets broken in, the comparisons between a McLeod and this. An RST in this application would never work. Way too much power for it, and I've seen them slip time and time again. So really the only other option between the Mantic and this would be the RXT, and like I said, I like this one much more. So guys, if you are interested in checking out one of these Mantics, there'll be a link down in the description below. Leave any questions you have about these. I've installed a few of these now. I've sold a few of these back when I used to, work for VMP. These things are awesome, and they work really, really well for drag racing and driving. So make sure you slap that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.